mga ka-friendship and welcome to Hardin Sessions Episode 1. I am Mary of Marimar TV and today I'm going to share about 5 indoor plants for beginners. This video is for people or for Millenials who likes to start having indoor plants and don't know saan sila mag-start, like paano ba to, paano dyan, ganyan. And then also these are plants that are very easy to take care. So before anything else, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, guys. Click the subscribe and click the bell button for new videos, notifications for new videos. So our first plant is the snake plant. So this is an type of snake plant. And I also have this one. This is like the tiger. So very easy to maintain. So pwede ka lang like, pwede mo to siya sa like low light, medium to sun brighter shade. Talaga itong mamamatay, guys, so promise. And then also it only requires water like once every 2 weeks or once a week, so you don't have to look after it, like you can just ignore it. It's to having spider plants, but I've been like growing spider plant like just a few weeks, and what I learned is they really love water. So every time I try to check when I water is like, besh, dry na dayon, besh. So you just need to water them once a week, and then it needs medium to very bright shade. So dapat i-display mo siya malapit sa window para mag-thrive siya. So yun. Next is photo. So photos here. So this is like a trailing plant. So easy lang to siya grow. So you can propagate doing the cutting some of this like trail. So if there is like here, cut it and put it on water or soil, and it will live. It can also thrive in low light, like the ones here in the living room, because there's no natural lighting here. So it's good. This one is nice. This is like it's also cheap, not very expensive. The next one is the ZZ plant. So for the ZZ plant, I also got this like 2 weeks ago. This is like a gift to myself. And then it also thrives in low light, like in here in our living room. It's so dark here, so dapat mo lang siya i-give like 2 times, once every 2 weeks. So yan. So ang last is yung aloe vera. Aloe vera ko. Pwede to pang pwede yung aloe vera sa indoor, pero nilagay ko siya sa labas kasi marami na akong mga indoor plants and mas nagtathrive siya sa very sunny like shade or bright shade, and you can water it like once every week, once a week, so you don't have to worry to like look after them every day, ganyan. And then that's it, guys. So if you're wondering, I have also a plant here. I forgot the name. This one also thrive in low lights, so I even ignore it, like, yeah. So very good plant, very good. So that's it, guys. So start your plant mama journey now. The benefits of having like plants at home is it purifies the air, and then also like it helps you sleep, and then marami siyang benefits, guys. Yan yung mga tips ko. So if ever you want more videos about plants, and I can also share my knowledge. Bago rin ako sa plant trend, pero yun, guys, gusto ko lang i-share. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching Hardin Sessions with Mary of Marimar TV. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment down below if you want videos or more questions about these plants, or subscribe to Marimar TV, and we'll see you on the next video. So guys, maudi ay Bisaya di English di ay Galong. So ito pala yung mga indoor plants ko dito. So marami-rami rin sila, guys. Marami akong mga cactus. Hindi ko to na-include sa video kasi hindi ako confident nila, guys. So dito ko yung ilagay yung photos namin, and then ito yung iba kong like snake plant, and then my spider plant. And then if nag-wonder kayo, guys, if merong akong pet bottle na may water, so itong water na to is for this is a rainwater. So I use this water to water my plants. So yun lang, guys.